it's Natasha. In today's video, I'm going to review mathandalgebra.com. As it sounds, it's all about math and algebra. This is an online program and you can pay monthly or yearly. And so I want to take you actually inside the program to show you all that it contains and how it works. So let's jump right in. This starts with basic math, advanced math, pre-algebra, and algebra. Now, the basic math is what I would consider more of a late elementary math. There are 96 steps to this. So let's take a look at what basic math entails. So basic math covers whole numbers, fractions, decimals, ratios, proportions, and percents, geometry, number theory and algebra, integers, charts and graphs, probability and statistics, and word problems. Now, in each of these categories, you see we can expand them and we can see each of the lessons here. So we've got adding whole numbers, adding large numbers, etc. And so you can click on each one of these and it brings up a video for you to watch for that lesson. And so you will watch the video of the teacher giving the lesson, and in this case, it's on adding whole numbers. Let's take just a quick peek at what a lesson looks like.
So let's start on the left again. 3,119,173. Let's go one more. Again, start on the left. 7,275,001. So it's just a matter of knowing that you've got your millions, your thousands, and your ones, and you can read those numbers easily.
Okay, so after you watch the lesson, then you're going to do a worksheet. The worksheet you actually have to download and print out. So here's the worksheet here, and you download it and you print it out, and your child actually does the work on paper with pencil. And there is also an answer key to that worksheet as well, so you can check the answers. Of course, the students do have access to those answers themselves. Then you can mark the lesson complete and go on to the next lesson. So like I said, in my opinion, the basic math is really for upper elementary or early middle school level. Okay, at the end of each little section, there is a quiz, and then there is a quiz at the end of the entire course as well, this basic math final quiz. Go back and see what the advanced math looks like. So the advanced math has 74 steps. And let's take a look at what that covers. So advanced math covers whole numbers, fractions, decimals, percents, geometry, integers, charts and graphs, and word problems. And like I said, with each section, you will have all the lessons and then a quiz at the end of that section. So here's our whole number section. And so we've got 7 lessons on whole numbers, and then we would take a quiz. And that's just for that section. And then at the end of the entire course, there is a final quiz. Now, after advanced math, you have pre-algebra, and pre-algebra only has 56 steps, and here we have sets, integers, fractions and decimals, exponents and square roots, operations, properties and scientific notation, ratios and proportions, percents, number theory, number lines and coordinate systems, equations, and probability and statistics for pre-algebra. And then of course there is algebra, and algebra has 101 steps, so algebra is the longest course that we have here. And then again, it follows the same format though, where every lesson has a video. At the end of each section, there is a quiz, and at the end of the course, there is a quiz. So we've got tools for algebra, solving equations, graphing and analyzing linear equations, solving and graphing inequalities, systems of linear equations and inequalities, polynomials, rational expressions, radical expressions in geometry, quadratic equations, and algebra word problems, and of course our final quiz. So let's go into the first section of algebra so we can again see kind of what that looks like. So in the first section for algebra, we've got everything from adding integers all the way down to percent word problems and a quiz. So let's take a look at what the quizzes look like. Okay, so as you can see here, the quiz is here online. So while the worksheets were paper worksheets, the quizzes are online. So you would need to solve this problem and write or type in your answer here and then press next, and it will move you on to the next question. And at the end, it gives you your score. So as you can see, I think this is a great option if you have a child that really fits into this, academic range of basic math through algebra. This could be a great option for them. It is a no-nonsense approach to math, and it's math. It is a teacher teaching math on a whiteboard and the kid doing problems on a worksheet. So it's definitely what I would consider traditional math. It doesn't have a bunch of fancy frills or exciting, pictures and things like that, but it's to the point. It doesn't waste any time, and it teaches the math concepts, and that is what's really important. So if you're looking for a no frills, get it done math curriculum that your child can work through at their own pace, I definitely think this would be a great option. So I hope that was helpful. So make sure to go check out mathandalgebra.com. I will leave the link down below, but it's super easy to remember, mathandalgebra.com, just like it sounds. And also make sure to go check out the Homeschool Review Crew blog post that I'm also going to link down below, because lots of other moms and kids have reviewed this as well. So you can see many different experiences and see if this might be a good fit for your family. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll be happy to answer, and I'll see you in the next one.